Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session with the court's announcement docket. Next case is cause number 323-737. Case is style of State of Texas versus Talil Ahmad Taylor Lenore. Mr. Lenore, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Taylor Lenore?
How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Taylor Lenore, you're here represented by your attorney Tom Burbank, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Taylor Lenore's case?
The last time we were in front of court, there was a question of whether or not the defendant is the right person. This is a shoplifting case, and it was caught on video. We don't believe that it's one and the same person that's on the video, and we requested that an investigator from the district attorney's office take a look at the video along with my client, who we agreed to go up there at any time. That has not been done at this time, Judge. If the state has an investigator present, I would instruct my client to go up there right now so that we can determine whether or not it's one and the same person. I don't believe it is, and that'd be a short resolution to this matter.
Is there any way it can be arranged?
Probably not today, Your Honor, considering some changes in our investigators. But I think if Mr. Lenore could come next week, it'll probably be a little more settled.
Can y'all get maybe, I guess y'all can give him a date and a time, set in an appointment or something?
If you could give the DA's office a call, maybe Monday or Tuesday morning.
Okay, let me do this here. The case, we'll reset it to give y'all time to do that. And how much time do you think will we, well, I guess we can give it a standard reset. We don't know the outcome of what's going to happen.
Yes, sir. I think a standard reset will be fine.
And you have any objections to that, Mr. Burbank?
Well, I mean, I know that my client is anxious to get this because I believe he lives out of town, and he's driving back and forth. And this is like
obviously the reset is just, I mean, I don't know what's going to be the outcome of the interview or the viewing of the tape. I don't know what's going to be the outcome. That's going to be left up to the DA's office.
And I would say, Your Honor, I think Mr. Burbank is right. The last time we were here, I think that the defendant was supposed to come to the DA's office or call or something like that to have it.
You were supposed to do that last time?
I was, they told me to call my lawyer. I would call him and see when we could set it up. And they would tell me that he was in trial and stuff.
Oh. Okay.
So it's not any hesitation or reservation on the state's end, Your Honor. If the defendant's counsel wants to call in next week, like I said, there's been some changes in our investigators recently, but if they want to call next week, I'm sure we can get something.
The solution is to send him up there right now and make an appointment with the front desk or whoever's an investigator, so that he knows, so that it doesn't come back on the defense attorney of I didn't do my job.
Okay. So what we'll do now, do you work?
No, sir.
Now you live out of town?
Yes, sir. In Houston.
Oh, you live in Houston. Okay.
College. Yeah, I'm in school right now.
Okay. Y'all have no investigators up there now? Do we know?
I believe we have one up there right now, Your Honor.
Or might want to just let them know the situation, and they can give him a time and a date because he has to come in from Houston. He got
Okay, I will get a time and a date, and I will forward that over to Mr. Burbank. He can relay it to his client.
Well, he can wait there. Yeah, he can wait there, Judge, so there's no miscommunication until we get it. And then they can notify me, or they can notify my client. My client can call me and tell me when it is, but he'd like to get it resolved and is willing to go up there and do whatever he needs to do.
Well, I just didn't want to talk to
right.
the
Okay. So what we'll do, let me do this here. Let's tell you what, we're gonna have him, they just go up, and then when he comes back, we'll get a reset date. We'll set the date
That's fine,
around,
Jason.
yeah, we'll set the date around his interview.
And I'll turn it off, but I'll stay online.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we'll be in recess.
Thank you.